Back here on Bill's Avanti, gonna be putting in the rear speaker. We got it in. So, as you can see, we're all opened up and ready back there for it. So that's gonna be going in. You can kind of see it, right? Yeah, you know where it's at. It's right there. Anyway, got that going. Going to be figuring out why our lights in here do not come on when you open the door, but they come on with a switch. So that'll be a fun wire chase. Also need to do, what else I gotta wire? Oh, turn signal switch, gotta dig back into that and wrap up this here door panel. So lots of stuff. So we've removed the back seat to access a place to run our wiring, and there was already a hole up in the top behind the driver's side rear seat back, so I routed my wiring through that hole just for ease, and it comes down, and I got it back underneath the carpet here under the door sill and up and out. I'm gonna run it. I made them extra long when I built my wires, of course. So they are here. And then when I designed our harness months back, green and blue, were for our rear speakers. So they are here. So all I have to do is route these wires up, green to green, blue to blue, and we will be done. Then it's onto the window switch help.
Mix 100.5. Let's go. The desert's best mix.